Kaizer Chiefs head coach Nabi issued a heartfelt apology to the club's fans following their crushing 4-0 loss to Mamelodi Sundowns in the Carling knockout quarterfinals on Saturday. The heavy defeat at FNB Stadium marked a low point for Amakosi, who were left stunned by the 2 goals from Ikram Reyners and additional strikers by Peter Shalul and Koliso Mudau. Chiefs were further hampered after Ignacio Miguel was shown a red card, reducing the team to 10 men for the final 36 minutes. Nabi said, "First of all, we must congratulate our opponents. They deserved their victory." Nabi stated candidly after the match and said, "But I also want to apologize to our fans. We weren't effective in either box today, and we let them down. We promised them that we'll work harder to make the team better." Nabi, who joined Chiefs before the start of the season, admitted that his squad was still a work in progress and not as prepared as many had hoped, and said this was an accident and we believe it won't happen again. He vowed taking full responsibility for the outcome. He sought to shield his players from public criticism, choosing to address any issues privately within the team, and said, "I agree that the players gave their best today, but ultimately, the responsibility is mine as the coach. They were far from their best right from the start. They looked nervous and struggled with misplaced passes. I will take the necessary accountability and ensure that each player understands their role." The crushing defeat also sparked frustration among fans, with some storming the pitch to confront referee Luqolo Badi, while others threw objects in protest. The loss marks Nabi's third defeat in 7 matches since taking charge of Soweto Giants. Chiefs' next challenge will come on November 27 when they face Richards Bay in a league clash at Peter Mokaba Stadium in Polokwane. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.